May boxing ako, pasero siya din. Gano'n, tsaka, boxing tsaka ano pa? One Hill? Let's go.
Okay, let's go. We gotta go past security. So this Ortigas at Pearl Place. Pearl Place. Lita's condo. Here at Pearl Place. All right, we're here at Ortigas, and this is Pearl Place. So there is the pool. This is Lita's pool. You can see it's between the buildings, and it's a pretty nice pool. You can see it is a nice swimming pool in between all these high rises and all the call centers that are here. T-Mobile, they're all here. So when you call T-Mobile, this is where you're talking to. So we're walking in the lane here, going into Pearl Plaza here. It's a thunderstorm. We walk down this road. Pearl Place, that's where we're going. Pearl Place. It's a thunderstorm. We got caught in a thunderstorm walking from the mall. I want to get this isolation tent. Isolation. So we have at this Chinese place, we ordered wonton noodle soup here in the Megamall on the 3rd floor, I believe we're at. So we're all here on the 3rd floor, and we're at the thing. You can see they're making the. All right, so there is the wonton soup. Wow, this is a large soup here, right? That's a big soup. Why are you standing up? It's a big noodle soup. Wow. Yeah, we could have shared one. That's all right. We got a big day ahead of us. We got to go to Mary Lau. Right, so I'm here at Manham. Manham. We got the Manham. We got dumpling soup, wonton soup, and dumplings. And that's what we got here today. We're eating. It's about 1 p.m. here on a Saturday at Megamall here in Philippines. Ortigas.